Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KtrKathir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to find the probability in array. We already know, we already study in our school days that's an probability is nothing but a union, intersection, in difference between the two different set of items. Likewise, we are going to implement the how to find the probability in array of items. Let's dive into the tutorial. Before that, subscribe my channel for more videos. Here I having the sample image that's a union, intersection as well as difference between the two items. Let's dive into the tutorial. Now I am creating the extension for the array. Inside of that, that's an element. The element is nothing but the whatever it is, that's an int, string, whatever it is. So I am just passing the element itself, that's a hashable content. Instead of that, I am creating the union function. That's nothing but we already have the self as one array and we can pass the another array. So the array of elements. Then we can return the array of elements, nothing but that is a union element, as well as we can create the function for the difference as well as intersection. So in difference function, the same thing, we already have the self array, so we can pass the another array as a input and we can get the output as the difference element. Then for the same thing for the intersection function, instead of that we can pass the another array as well as we can get the intersection array of elements. Now we have to classify the items, so we have to remove the duplicates from the same one single array. So we can just convert the array to the set, then it's automatically remove the duplicates from the array of elements. Then also the same for the other array also. So we can just create the two set of items, then same logic on the each functions. Then we can use the this set dot union of other set, then that will be converted to the array. So the same thing inside of the different function, we can just create the this set dot difference, that is in a function was that is called the symmetric function, symmetric difference of other set. That's then we can convert to the array. The same thing for intersection, that's nothing but array inside of that this set dot intersection of other set. Then we can get the different probabilities of the array. Now we can check the function that's working fine or not. So we just create the three set of elements, that's nothing but we can create the array A is nothing but this is a string of elements, string of array. So we can just create the ABCD, that is in each elements. Likewise we can create the another two arrays. Okay, now you can see the C was appear on array A as well as array B, and also M was appear on array A and B, as well as the O was appear on the PK was appear on both array as well as the A was appear on thing. So likewise that is a more similar items was available on array A and array B. When we call the union function, we just array A dot union of array B. If you call the function like that, means that will be classify the union of array A and B. So we can get the things like this. So we can just see the all elements from the array A and array B, that is called the union. So we can get the all elements from the array A and array B, that will be written on the function. If we need, we can use the sorted, then we can get the sorted elements in array. Likewise, each element was appear on union section. When we use the different section, when we call the intersection, now the array A dot intersection of array B. Then we can get the intersection between the array A and array B. Array A and array B is nothing but, the intersection is nothing but what is the common thing in the in this two array. So we can get the P, K, A, C and M, that is a common thing inside of the array A and array B. So we can get this set of elements from the intersection function. And when we call the difference function, means that's nothing but array A dot difference of array B. Now we can get the not the common thing, the outside of the common thing, that's a unique thing will be appear on the different section. Likewise, we can split the probability of different two arrays. Likewise, we can get the probability of arrays using the union, difference and intersection. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.